What's up guys, Pete here from the Sunday Drive, and today we're coming at you with a 1-year update on these AUTOSAVER88 headlights that I have installed on my 2004 Silverado to let you know how they've been holding up to the elements over the past 12 months. Now, if you've seen our original video installing these headlights on my Silverado, you'll know that my factory headlights were absolutely destroyed from being sandblasted on the highway and from the UV. And we went with aftermarket ones instead of getting OEM ones. These are the AUTOSAVER88s. You can pick them up on Amazon. I'm pretty sure eBay has them too. Now, there's always a concern when buying headlights off of Amazon or eBay or pretty much any non-OEM headlight, because you don't know what you're gonna get with regards to weather sealing or quality, how the beam is, and that's what we're gonna talk about today. So after 12 months of running these headlights, I gotta say I'm really impressed with how they've been holding up. There's, first off, minimal rock chips, but I guess that's because of the height of the truck. My Corvette is destroyed because of how low it is. But the UV really did not take a toll on it yet. Also, the weather sealing has been very good. There's been no moisture inside of these headlights, and that was the main thing I was concerned about, because I thought I was gonna have to put them in the oven, take them apart, reseal them, and then put them back together. So they're pretty cheap headlights, so I figured, you know, it's too good to be true. I've also seen stories about the running lights, which aren't true running lights unless you wire them up differently than how we did, burning out, so the LEDs burning out. But ours have actually worked and have not burned out at all, which is awesome. Now, I've put Laminex clear film on these headlights to protect them even longer because I really just don't want to replace them, and I think that these look really nice. So we have a video of that. I don't think I ever edited. We'll have a video up whenever I get around to editing it. It'll be up in the corner. Basically, it was my first time trying to install film, so it was a learning experience, but it actually came out really good. And at first, it didn't look like it did too well, but as you keep it in the sun, it does start to look better. So to keep this short and sweet, because I don't want to be one of those YouTubers that talks forever, if you're thinking about picking these headlights up, I will say that my experience has been great with them. No moisture inside of them. The UV did not kill them after the first year. And now that I have the film on it, I'm sure it'll last many more years. The beam on them is pretty good. No one seems to be like flashing their headlights at me to say that like I'm getting in their eyes at night. And I was able to adjust them to how I wanted them. And yeah, overall, I think they look really good on the truck. So if you're thinking about picking them up, I recommend them. Your mileage may vary, but let us know if you did pick them up or if you plan on picking them up and your experience with them. And as always, links to these products that we use in our videos will be below. And anytime you make a purchase through them, it does help us out a little bit. By the way, this was not sponsored by AUTOSAVER88. In fact, we paid for these and we really just wanted to see how they worked and make a video about them for you guys. So I hope you found it to be helpful, and please give us a big like and subscribe. All right, see you.